Good afternoon, Andy's Rebuilds here. Realised I haven't been really posting for a while. Haven't done any updates on the garage, but work has been progressing. I've just been a little bit busy and just not got around to doing the videos of it. So I'll flip you around and show you where we've got to so far. As you can see, I am getting there. Just got to find a home for the bikes, but paint all done on the walls, most of the racking up, tools in place. Need to get the green paint onto the brick piers to finish the effect, and then it will be on to sorting out the lighting in here. But now got a nice clear space, and hopefully once I've got that last remaining bit of stuff out of the way, I should be able to get two cars side by side. And if you've been watching any of the other videos on the channel or any of the reels on Instagram, then you'll probably have an idea of what the two cars that I'm trying to fit in there are. It's not going to be loads of room around them, but it's also should be doable and able to get in and out of them even with both of them in there. So what are those two cars? Well, first off, it has to be Lightning. Lightning's going to be going in there. This is now my daily driver. Nice that it's electric, and with the fuel prices how they are, it's hardly a surprise that this has become the daily. All going well. I've had loads of fun in it so far. I've done nearly 1,000 miles, I think, since it was all put back together and finished, and no issues with it at all. It went in for service and it was given a full health check and given a green tick by the dealer. So pleased with that. And then of course there's this. This was a scratch that just had to be itched. So when I saw it in the dealership, I couldn't help myself. Such an amazing colour and such an amazing car. And hopefully they will both fit in. That's what I've been up to. The garage is getting there, as you can tell, and hopefully both of those two cars will fit in. Let's see.